Welcome back to Huffler Garage. We're back out here at the lake again with our dinghies. We have left these up on the pier for 6 months. We have not touched them. And this time, mine has lost a little bit of air in that chamber. Not too much there. But on our gray and white dinghy, she stayed pretty pumped up. We're here to use and abuse these and show you what a Chinese inflatable boat can handle. We've had these for 6 years. We're going to get them cleaned up and get them out on the water. And look forward to our new season. So we did have these out right before all the leaves fell and during the time of the fall when everything was dropping. I have actually seen these way worse in 3 weeks during that period of time, but they were fairly clean. So for the past 6 months, they've been sitting out of here. They do have some grit and grime in the floors, a little bit of black buildup, but in all honesty, considering how long they've been out here, half a year, they look pretty good. Hopefully they won't be too bad to clean up. And, well, we're going to show you that. All right, so we're in here pumping up our chambers. And as you can see, some really nasty water is coming out from underneath the aluminum floor. Oh, and my shoe's getting wet. A little more water than expected. I'm sinking in the nasty water. Ugh. Ugh. Good soup. Get all the sticks out of here. All right. Oh. That is foul. Yep. Smells like a sewer. Yeah, maybe not the best thing to leave that water in there for 6 months. Or gray water. That's what it smells like. It smells like gray water. Yeah, I mean, so all the water stuck under that aluminum just sat there and sweltered with decaying things. Ugh. Okay. Jettison. Smells like hot poop from an RV. Foaming it up. Probably enough, right? Now, here's a question. Should I scrub it or pressure wash it? What do you think? Leave it in the comments. I think I'm going to pressure wash it. Why not try it? It's a 6-year-old boat. I'm looking for the easiest way to clean this boat. If I could do a no scrub, why wouldn't I? Huh? $1,000 boat, 6 years. Pizza's done. I'm gonna pressure wash this. Oh. There we go. Give it a try. Are we having a dilemma with our pressure washer? Maybe it's the pressure washer saying, no, don't do this. I must say that worked pretty good. It doesn't beat scrubbing, though. I will say that much. But it's pretty good. I kind of like it. For an initial wash, after 6 months, pull most of the large grime off. All right. So we showed up on this shoal, and right now we're in a drought. Our lake level is super low. And as you can see, there's a lot of land here, which normally in the summer you're not able to see. So you do have to be careful on lakes, even in the ocean, running across shoals or fingers that come off of islands or ridges. And as you can see here, there's been a mini skegs drug right through all the mud. This one is actually pretty deep. But, you know, every year someone ends up stuck on a shoal because they're not paying attention. And as you can tell, there's also buoys that say danger, shallow, shoal, signs that say shoal. You think people would pay attention, but they don't. And speaking from experience, just a little tidbit of information here. About 12 years ago, someone in December decided to go too close to the shoal, and we ended up stuck out on this side. And I had to get out of the boat and push and get us out in the middle of December, which was not pleasant. So, you know, when you're out riding, be careful, pay attention to the signage and the buoys on the water, and you should be able to do this safely. Watch your speeds, especially when you are around those buoys and signs. You know, just be safe all the way around. The beautiful sunset here today, as you can see. We'll put some B-roll in because there was one where the propeller actually went through the water. And I'm assuming they probably had a pretty bad day with how bad they ran it. But it's getting cold. It's getting to be past sunset. And we got to get back off the water. So this is just your little tip for the day. We hope you enjoy. Join us the next time. Like and subscribe.